Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is December 4th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by about 8 points right now. Right now, the futures are sitting at around 22.82.5 per contract. So all in all, futures pulling back a little bit. Yesterday, we had a pretty decent rally right into the closing bell. So markets held their gains yesterday, and that was a pretty good move. That was on the back of the China-U.S. trade deal, or trade truce as we should call it. We'll see how it goes going forward. Right now, the futures are a little bit lower, but they are off their worst levels. So you can see right here around 1 o'clock in the morning, they were down much more. Now they're sitting right at that 28.72, 28.73 area. All right, let's take a look at stocks in the news because that's where we're going to try to focus and make some money. First one we're going to look at here is going to be Dollar General. Ticker symbol is DG. Stock closed at $111.70 yesterday, now trading at $105.99. This is obviously on the back of earnings, so we'll see if this can go a little bit lower. I happen to think if this stock can get down to around 97 bucks today, or maybe even 96.75, somewhere right underneath that 97 level. I think that's a good solid level to get involved on the long side. So we'll watch this one. We'll see how it plays out. I'll try to have a more defined level for everybody in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018 so far. Next one we want to look at is going to be Autozone, AZO. Is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $870, closed at $824.46. So this is a great pop. I think this has actually potential to get up to around the $880 level today. So again, another $10 higher. What's that? Not a big deal when you're an $800 stock. But I do think this has a little bit more upside before stalling out. But around $880, I would expect a little stall out. Next up, we want to take a look at Toll Brothers. They had earnings as well. This one is not faring too well this morning. Stock closed at $33.53, now trading at $31.80. When I look at Toll Brothers, though, still a ton of support around the $29 area. So if it gets down to 29, I think there's still a lot of support. And then there's actually a little bit more around 27. So we'll look at that one. We'll see if it goes there. Let's take a look at RH, or Restoration Hardware, as they used to be called. Stock is popping today. Closed at $123.65. Now trading at $146.50. Great move there for Restoration Hardware. When I look at this one on the charts, I think the 150 level seems to be a little bit of a sticking point. You can see that's where we got to yesterday after hours. You can see that's where it stalled out again today. So that's going to be the big sticking point today, 150. If it gets through there, this thing has some room to run. Next up, we want to take a look at Kronos, CRON. It looks like they are confirming they're in discussions with Altria Group. I don't know if it's going to be a buyout, but this had a huge move. This is a marijuana play. Huge pop yesterday, closed at $10.17. Today, they're affirming the talks with Altria, and the stock is trading at $10.88. So great move there yesterday for Kronos, and actually a good move this morning. I really don't think it goes a whole lot higher from here, but hey, who knows? Maybe it does. Next up, we want to take a look at Movado, MOV. This is trading at $39.25. Closed yesterday at $36.88. So good pop there for MOV. You're definitely going to have some resistance around the $41.75 level. Even $40 will be a little resistance point. So just be aware of that. We want to take a look next at Cirrus Logic. CRUS is the ticker symbol here. This looks like it is getting hit pretty hard after earnings. Stock closed at $38.67, now trading at $36.10. The only level I really like for this name today would be around $32.40. Gets down to around $32.40 area. I like that level there for Cirrus Logic. Now, they are down on their guidance. I believe they said smartphone shipments have slowed. Let's take a look at Apple. That is also getting hit on the news. Stock closed at $184.82, now trading at $181.20. So we'll be watching this one closely today. Next up, I want to take a look at Coupa Software. COUP is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $66.05, closed at $68.80. This is on the back of earnings. I don't think there's a whole lot to do here. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But again, it's had a good run up over the last week or so, so it was due to pull back anyway. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Don't do much with Cooper right now, but we will keep an eye on this one. We'll see how it plays out. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold caught a great bid yesterday, and again, it's up today. Why is gold up? Well, dollar weakness. Dollar down, gold gets a bid. Right now, the GLD trading at 117.13. This is a pretty good little pop. Closed at 116.41 yesterday. Spot gold right now up $5, trading at $1,244.70 an ounce. Let's move over to crude oil. Crude oil trading up 73 cents to $53.68 a barrel. If you take a look here at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, that's trading at 11.37. Closed at 11.27. Crude got a bid yesterday, catching another bid today. Weakness in the dollar today certainly helping things, but the dollar is starting to come off of its morning lows. So, again, we'll be keeping an eye on that. We'll see how it plays out. There's a lot going on here today. We also have the President Bush Memorial taking place in Washington, D.C. I believe the markets tomorrow will be closed in observance for his passing, and we'll see how this market plays out going forward. I want to wish everybody a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts. Take care.